nice and beautiful oats porridge for your breakfast in the morning. When you wake up and you want to have something really light and nice, you can have yourself a nice bowl of oats porridge. So first of all, I got some oats in my container right here, milk and sugar, salt, vanilla, and some cinnamon. The cinnamon is spice also. So we're gonna make you a nice bowl of oats porridge this morning for your breakfast. Subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Go on my website chefricardo.co.uk and enjoy all my recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Lovely one. Subscribe my channel. Business to make this porridge. First of all, let's turn on my stove. My stove is on. Lovely. And what we're gonna do next now, we're gonna put some milk straight in this pot right here. You might say, I'm always cooking with this pot, but this pot is one of the best pot I ever have in my whole entire life to cook with. It's so easy, you don't burn anything, it's so easy to angle. So I'm gonna put some milk inside of this pot. I'm using at least 2.5 ounce of milk. I'm not using all of it, so I leave half ounce of milk inside of it, the pan, because what happened, I don't want to, when it get too sticky, you have to have a little bit more milk to pour inside of it for it to be a bit more runny. So I put the milk inside of it, leave it for a second to get warm, and that's what I like about this pot. You can always turn up the stove on your milk warm, not gonna be burned. Put some milk in my pot. I got my pot on stove, really warm, nice, getting right there. I'm gonna put some oats inside of it, not too much oats, just a little bit of oats. So I want you guys to see what I'm doing. This is so simple and easy to make. I'm gonna turn on my stove a little bit low, not too high, because I don't want it to be burned. Look at that, that is just beautiful and nice. Then what we're gonna do next, let's put a spoon of your favorite vanilla inside of it. Lovely and nice. And a pinch of cinnamon. Let's give it another whisk. It's just really nice and beautiful. I love oats porridge, man. So what we're gonna do next, as I can see right here, because this is just really nice and beautiful. So it is cooking. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a little bit more milk inside of it. So that is really nice. I'm just gonna leave that for a few more, and that's what you're looking for. So y'all know that the oats gonna be keep sucking up. So what you're gonna do now, I'm still gonna add some more milk inside of it. That is beautiful. Look at this now. Look at this. This is really nice and beautiful. So this is what you're looking for. That is beautiful. I'm gonna put some salt inside of it. Tablespoon of salt. I want to say to you, if you don't like salt, you don't need to add salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. That is beautiful. And what we're going to do next, we're going to put some sugar inside of it. 1, 2, use 3 big spoons of sugar. Let's whisk him up. Really nice and beautiful, man. Because I love my oats porridge. Trust me. And I want to say to you, this don't take not too long to make. It's so quick. Oats porridge, easy to make. This is beautiful. So leave this 3 more minutes and that's it. That's it. 3 more minutes and then it's ready. Then you can share it. And so it look like. Beautiful. Really nice. Really nice. Look at this. This is really nice and beautiful. Oats porridge this morning from Chef Ricardo cooking. So let's taste it and see how it tastes. This is beautiful. That is excellent. Really nice. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just turn it off, share some in a bowl, and make you guys see what it look like. Really nice. I'm gonna turn off my stove now. Beautiful and nice one. That is finished. That is beautiful and nice. Quick and easy. Simple porridge. It's ready. That is just excellent. Less than couple minutes it takes to make. Look at this. This is just really nice and beautiful. I want to say to you, you can have this for your breakfast, have it for an evening snack, and you know the beautiful thing about it, you need a nice piece of slice of hard bread to have this porridge, but it's going to be too heavy, so you can have this on its own and you can just enjoy my recipe. Simple, easy, quickly run up to make this. And all you need: oats, sugar, milk, cinnamon, vanilla, and some salt. You don't have to put salt if you don't like salt. You can have it on its own. Because I want to say to you guys, where I work and we don't use salt. I never use salt. So only sometimes when I'm doing my recipe I show or you can use if you want to use salt, if or not. But I want to say to you, you can subscribe my channel and you can like my Facebook page, go on my website chefricardo.co.uk. Enjoy this recipe from Chef Ricardo Oats Porridge this morning. And I want to say to you, anytime the seeds start to get thick, you can always add a little bit of milk. That's the beauty about oats porridge. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my channel today from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Lovely one.